Okay, and then we'll finish with this. And this is kind of a cool case that I thought was amazing. And it's for Troy. And so he came in similar to Valerie, where he didn't want braces on the front side, didn't think he can trust himself with the liners. So we are going to treat him with lingual braces, but his bite is extremely deep. And one of the things that, or the way I typically would treat this case is start with the lower arch only and add some posterior bite turbos or some anterior bite turbos until we can kind of level it out and then place the upper braces. And so one of the things that jumped out to me was, what if I gave him just a retainer up top with bite ramps so that we can help intrude the lower incisors, but then at the same time prevent the teeth from contacting, to prevent them from coming off. And so that's what I did. I went in, I loaded his upper arch into uDesign, put some attachments and flipped them around to mimic bite ramps, and printed it and did a suck down. And I have my own bite ramps to go off of. And this is what it looks like. And so again, we have the lower braces on with the upper retainer in with the bite ramps on. And, you know, he was off and ready to go. And so throughout the day, I didn't have to worry about him constantly biting down on those upper teeth. And so we started with the lower only, put the upper retainer in to help intrude. And again, this is just some of the different ways that we can get creative with this, because the way I view orthodontics, especially on the digital front, is all of this stuff kind of coexists together. And when we use the advantages of all of them, we can treat our patients in the most optimal way. And that's kind of what this slide represents. Everything kind of just flows together. And it doesn't mean that you have to be lockstep in one, you know, particular modality, but being able to go in between and use the powers and the strength of all these individual technologies is how we really get the best and leverage what, you know, technology we have available for us in the orthodontic